Hey Edith.
Hi.
So today is day 8, is it?
Yes.
But what happened this morning?
The elves arrived, but we only saw the baby elves.
The baby elves. And what did the baby elves have, a note or something?
Yeah, they bring us a note and they actually bring us a little house that I could paint, but I started painting it already.
Yeah, well that's good. That's good. You've been busy. So what did the note say?
I forgot.
Okay, we'll go in and have a look then, hey? Let's see. Well, the note did say that the elves went out for breakfast, didn't they?
Yes.
And that they'll be back later. Just wait. Oops. Slam the door. Okay. Let's see. Wonder where the elves are today. Oh, so there's the babies over there.
Yes. Let's see the note again. I give them that little shirt.
Oh, yes. Well, we got that last year for them, didn't we?
Yes.
It says, to Edith, we have gone out for breakfast. We'll be back later, the elves. Oh. So I think they're back though.
Yes.
Is Lily?
Huh?
What? What?
What did you do with the two? That is shaving cream.
That is shaving cream. Oh, there's a razor. Oh. They're trying to shave their face. Oh my goodness.
You touched the elf, Mom. The Sue.
No, I didn't. What? I nearly did.
What's that?
What? 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 Oh my goodness. There's a shark in the toilet. What does it say? Beach closed, shark sighted. Oh, they found out there's a shark in the toilet.
It's just paper, I know.
It's just paper? They don't know that though, do they? Oh, he's wearing a hat too. That's pretty cool. So, oh, they've been playing swimming in the toilet and a shark came out for them. So we're gonna, now we've seen those elves, let's go do the calendar.
Yes.
Okay. So, 18 days until Christmas, that was yesterday. So how much is there today? Would it be 17?
17.
$17 days until
Christmas.
Christmas. Okay. Time to do the calendar. The Advent train.
Another carrot.
Another carriage, a white one. It looks like a candy cane.
Yeah.
Cool. So you have a carriage for, well, that one you got in that blind bag, but you got 3 carriages now, but you do have another elf there and the reindeer.
That was from yesterday.
That was from yesterday.
The girl elf.
Yes.
The factory girl elf.
Oh, so it's getting bigger and bigger. Oh, look at that one. She fell over. Okay, so we're going to tell everybody thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and
give me a huge thumbs up.
Yes, and we'll see you all
Next time.
Yep. See yous. Bye.
Bye.